Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to stop Temu emails. If you're getting too many promotional emails from Temu, so here's how to stop them. So open the Temu app, then tap You or Profile. Now in here, go to Settings. So click the Settings icon in the top right corner. Now from here, go to Notifications. Then turn off email or disable promotional email categories. So under Promotions, click Edit and turn off email, or you can turn off push or in app notifications and other notifications such as order apps, chat messages, customers' activity, etc. So, Temu also lets you manage marketing emails through its notification settings. Next, you can also unsubscribe from a Temu email. So, you can open any recent email from Temu. So, go to your Gmail app, then sign into your email account. Then open recent email from Temu. Now scroll to the bottom of the email, so scroll down and click unsubscribe button if it's available and confirm that you want to stop receiving promotional emails. So it may take a few days for the changes to take effect. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.